Dead pregnant teen identified, man in custody. Body of Trelawney taxi operator found at his home. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A body which was found near the Devon Penn Main Road in St. Mary on Sunday has been identified. She is 16-year-old Jadine Gale, her mother has confirmed. Meanwhile, an adult closely associated with the teenager has been taken into police custody for questioning. Up to late Tuesday, a house in Mountain View, St. Andrew, belonging to the man was being processed by cops as investigations continue into the teen's death. Gale's body was found wrapped in a blue tarpaulin by residents who alerted the police. There were reportedly signs of strangulations and multiple abrasions on her body. This was the first murder reported in St. Mary in 2025. The partially decomposed body of a taxi operator was discovered at his home on Monday. The deceased has been identified as Clive Goulburn, alias Silk, of a Spicy Hill Trelawney address. Reports are that after a calls to Goulburn's phone went unanswered on Monday, residents went to his house but could not gain entry as the doors were securely locked. Members of the Jamaica Fire Brigade who were called entered the house where the body was discovered and later removed to a funeral home. The Trelawney police do not suspect foul play. They, however, are waiting forensic results to determine the cause of death.